So, here's my blog. Let me. I'm waiting for my stream to show on YouTube so that I can. Should I go to YouTube Studio? Come on, man. It's playing with me. Content, live. Yeah, right here. How do I go? Ah, right here. And okay, I got the link. Okay, let me get the link for the stream. Alrighty. Yeah. Okay. So today I want to do something different than Entity because I've been working on Entity for quite a while. Alright, there's this get age. And let's go ahead and do it. Oh well, I couldn't send my blog. I think YouTube is now censoring links now. Okay, it's not. It's very weird. Frame info CPP. Uh, okay. Oh wow. I didn't patch anything yet. So patch push red. Okay, this will be a new one. Get age. Okay, indeed. So good. Okay. Get age. Let's go. Okay. Frame info. Yeah. So this is the getter. It's this guy. Yeah. Frame locked. Yes. Yeah, there's something very wrong here. Oh yeah, I forgot a 7. Yeah, just by looking at how this looked. Just easy to see. My god. Okay. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, there's an interesting one here, right? Which doesn't seem to. So it's between get age. So okay, I can see why it's not present. Okay, I'll just ignore this for now. Oh, this is the constructor. So how does this look like? And today I'm so zoned out. So yeah, so there's 3 things. I finally got the renewal of my lease. Quite happy with that. But it stressed me out so much because the fucking agency, the real estate agency, were taking that sweetest time. They took so long that I even got a notice saying to clean the stuff before I leave. And it's always fun to call your agent and then being like, oh yeah, that's totally fine, don't worry. The type of stuff that you want to see. Okay, so this looks really good. It needs a push poly red though. So IFL frame boost. Okay, that's it. Okay, matching. So IFL frame boost. Bozot. Bozot. Uh-huh. So frame info, assign. Okay. So below get age, there's the assign, right? There's this guy. Yeah, this looks really good. Huh? Time to frame. Frame to time. Time to frame. Okay. So let me check. Oh. Change file material. Okay, this looks like it. But what is it? None? Not a number? Huh. Oh yeah, let me just get the same definition of frame info, right? I kinda... Okay, so this is time to frame. Is this ever written to... Okay, no, it isn't. So time to frame. So it's this guy. Yeah, looks fine. So this guy over here. Call FTOL. Yeah, this looks perfect. So this is time to frame. So there it is. Alrighty-o. So yeah, okay. Exactly. So I need to inline this guy. Think about it. Okay. Good. So git commit. Okay. This looks like exactly this compute boost. What is it about? Compute boost. That is bigger than 0. Yeah. Then unlock IFL frame rate. Okay. I like it. So, okay, matching. Compute boost for play. Yeah. Alrighty. There's this pi being assigned here. Alrighty. So there's nothing that I care about. And yeah, there's only this goofy function here, which if I put here frame info, I might figure out it's IFL frame boost. Okay. So I can even do it. Get IFL frame boost. Look, it's right here. It's okay matching. So get IFL frame boost. That's this guy. So take this, do that. Get IFL frame boost. Yeah, it's not used, but at least, yeah. Get IFL frame boost. Okay, so this is really nice. So this whole frame stuff is now taken care of. What can I do now? I don't really feel like doing entity stuff. So let's look for interesting things to do. If I done PO, set PO, no, okay. Get scale, get Y facing, that's interesting. Get quaternion. I think, okay, these are super weird things. Maybe I can look into, let's take a look at this guy, Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, I'm looking for a string here. Shock Spidey. I guess they kept, no, okay, they didn't keep it. I'm looking into game stuff or maybe app stuff. Maybe I can do app stuff depending on how much it relies on other things. Get VD, set VD. Construct, okay. Okay, maybe I can do app. So before I go to app, let's just go to app.h and start exporting everything as our Lord wants, right? Export, get game, okay. Or there's a couple get VD, okay, exactly. And okay, this should be enough to get this going. Okay, build, so I can nuke this guy out. Yo, so many things here in app. Okay, so what about app do I have? So I have app void. Oh, so I have this guy. Okay. Uh, uh, uh. I need some water. Jesus. Okay. Oh wow, this is really spread. Okay. Be right back. I need to get some water. Um. So this thing over here looks like the V table, right? Game. Oh, game is 310. That's kind of crazy to think about. But who didn't think about it yet, right? Render intros. If I hypothetically speaking, right? And render intros, right? If I hypothetically speaking, go here and under intros, render intro screen, and I just hook this thing over here. This call. Oh, it's this call, but I can. Can I do this just for now? It'll be kind of funny to do it. Game. So include my assertions.h and my patch. So let's just add these functions now. Patch game and validate game. Those are the two. Class game, not game info. Friend. Wait, validate game. Uh-huh. Patch game. This should work. This work. Two. Okay. Really nice. Okay. Let's just go up. Actually, I can just do this void skipping intros. Hopefully this will just work. Patch push red to do. Okay. Render intros. This guy. Skip intros. Yeah. Okay. Now this seems to be done. I don't even need the same calling convention because it doesn't have any argument, so it's not cleaning anything. Oh my god. Oh my god, it puts so fast now. Oh wow, look at this. The game boots so fast. Oh wow. I should probably include this. Such a cool thing to have. Um Maybe I can do like a I don't know who wants to see the initial intro, so I'll keep the thing to skip the intros. It's too good to not to have it. Kind of a stupid feature, I gotta be honest. So up. Only two? It boots so fast now. Hmm. App get signal name. There's this weird thing here. Hmm. Oh, it has two vtables. Okay. Okay, this is the signaler vtable. Okay, it has the singleton and oh, okay. Oh wow, these mixings. Get signal name. Hmm. Construct signal list. Okay. It looks like. Okay, so time to go to app. It should be already exported, so export signal list. Mm-hmm. Alrighty, so include my assertions, my patch. Is good. Patch. So this is how it looks like when you have two vtables. Uh, okay. Alrighty, what's the size of app though? Okay, this is a virtual function. So I can take care of this, right? Where is the thing? What? No. App. It looks like the exact same thing though. What? So 24, that's the size of app. Okay. So, okay. Validate size app. Wait, 24, yeah. That's 32, 36, so it's 36 bytes. Okay, that's fine. It's wrong. That's fine. But got 20. That's interesting. So there's something that I don't know here. That's fine. So most likely I can just do this and everything will be fine. Yeah, okay. So git commit am app Hmm. Uh, this is interesting. So this calls app, right? And where I don't think it's used anywhere, right? Hmm. Okay, whatever. Probably look into this get VD. Oh. What's the name of the thing? App. Oh, it got in line here. No, that's insane. No. Let's take a look at this guy. Oh, so right after this, right, right after this, not this, right after this. Oh, hmm. Hmm. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. This is very weird now that I think about it. Oh yeah, app cpp. Okay, I actually need to put code here. So much code. Add signal name. So declare the application globals. Okay, ggame. Oh wow, there's so much stuff defined in app that I didn't know. So let me just put this here. Nice. So get signal name, app register signals. Okay. Okay, I can just get a bunch of these guys here. That's fine. So right underneath this, just do this. Should be all good now. Oh yeah, it's just built. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, this is quite a big cleanup function. There's the tick to get VD. So let me look for particle generator, right? Particle. Oh, it's This looks like the cleanup. Oh. Okay. Signal manager. Okay, I've done this. What should I check now? Mm-hmm. NGL font. Beam acquire, beam release. Oh yeah, this is an entity. My god, everything is an entity. God. Light source, geometry manager. Could I go to terrain? You know, how big is terrain? Doesn't look too big. Oh, it has a BSP3. Ooh, okay. Oh, but it's a text file, apparently. No, it needs a text file. Load tree, sort entities. Maybe a region. Set active? Okay. Yeah, let's just look into region then. I'm tired of this entity stuff. Oh, they're closed. So many. What? Okay. Set. Let me actually open the file. Region. Okay, I didn't know that I've done so much already here. Entity, okay. So this update pos active. It's a vector even though they call it a list. Okay. No, vector. Possible active ends. Let's see. Where does this go? 98. Okay, I guess. 98 is around here. Okay. Looks good. But I don't see the same thing as what's there. Huh. It's totally different. It needs to be addressed. No worries. Like, it's totally different, the offsets. That's what I meant. Because in general, it looks really good. Can you believe it? Can you believe that I might have the wrong offsets? Neither do I. Okay, so there's some shenanigans going on here. Man, I don't know why the pseudocode just pops in the middle like that. So cam call ends. And that's it. Pause active. Possible active ends. Okay. Am I going crazy? Why did I get 98? What? A possible collide ends. Oh wait, possible active? But my code doesn't match it. What the f? So possible active ends. Hey yo, what did I add? Possible. Okay, I should remove this guy. Okay. Possible. Okay. Man, I'm so tired this past few days. It's crazy. 64. Okay. It's wrong. What I actually need is yeah, 64, so I need 40. That's it. I need it to be 40. So cam call ents. Right, so entity list is the size of C. So yeah, this should literally be here. And all looks good. Nice. So now that I have entity virtual functions and stuff. No. Okay. But before that, I need to go here. Vector. So it's possible active ends. Let's also put it here. So that's entity. And this is the region. Okay. This is a Y. So region. Wait, do I have vector? No, I don't have vector here. Just, let me just take vector from here. Vector, this guy. But I think they are slightly different here. If I'm not mistaken. Okay. But yeah, this looks fine. I'm here. So oh, okay. Region entity. Nice. Possible active +3. Okay. So this is the pos collide. Is it the collide or is it the render? Let's see. It's the collide. Could be. Could be. Mm-hmm. So yeah, okay. So this is the region. Okay, so this is entity. This is weird. Region update pos collide. This means that this guy over here is pos collide. Okay. Just do this. Bam. Okay. Really nice. Okay. So I need to move some things around. $60. So, why is this so weird? Wait. This guy. Let's go here. What's this guy? What? There's this. Go straight to the end. Okay. So update pass. Hmm. So it's looking for this. Okay. No idea what that thing does though. STD find. Value. Looks for an empty one. Okay, now I understand. But for C. Oh, I broke these lights. You know, I can just move things down here. And if they don't depend on that, it's all good. Okay, validation passed. So the cool thing about having a passing validation is that I can do more crazy stuff. Update, pass. Okay, now it looks... So 200, what's the offset of this guy? Oh, it's 50, okay. So entity CPP 50 is still visible, okay. It doesn't look like what I expected, right? Maybe it should be this one though. Yeah, okay, it's this one. What the heck? So, just 1 second. This is the possible collide, okay. No. There's a null check. And I'm missing, so yeah. 58. Yeah, looks like it starts at 58. So I'm getting more confused by the possible render. Okay. So they're basically it's really hard to tell these apart. So the possible render is the possible render, right? Can't really tell these guys apart. Oh, region the possible collide. So there's aging, active. So active, render, collide. What? The collide is this guy. Okay. This is the collide over here. Okay. Well, it took me a while, but I figured it out. So, not everything was lost, I gotta say. What you got for C? Yes. So, I'm actually confused now. Bro, my brain is totally mush today. Padding for 58 minus RC. Okay. Yeah, I broke some things apparently. Hmm. Okay, let's do it this way. Let's just try to do it. What? Light manager. Oh god. It does exist. Okay. This is what I hate. 152. So I cannot remove these guys. But am I being silly? Most likely. So these two are in the correct place. So most likely these guys are not in the correct place, right? Let's just do this. Just need to move things out of the way. Okay. No, it's still not fixed. But got 64? Okay, so let me just add padding. It's easier to do with padding than with padding C. Oh, God. It's still not done. But I got E. Okay. So I need to move this even lower. Let's just put this here, right? And see what happens. There's a lot of space there, so I can. But good. So one. I got CA. Actually, I can just do this. So what's the spot? C8. Okay, got C8. So it's D0 minus C8, and there you go. Okay. Hallelujah. Update pass collide. It took longer than expected because, yeah. I'm so tired. Incredible. Pass collide. This guy. So this pushes a bunch of stuff. This is not much different from the truth, right? Yeah, this looks fine. Yeah, Looks like the exact same thing twice. Oh. But just to be sure that I'm on the proper function. Entity. Okay. Mm-hmm. So possibly AG and the collide is the third one. Okay, good. Interesting. So it seems to call itself. That's a little weird. Okay. I did not expect it to be this big. Okay. Seven errors. Ah, yes. Doesn't matter. I'll just check this out. No errors, right? Thank you. Nope. Hmm, 220, it's 110. What is going on there, right? So, just put his physical entity. Okay. So, if E12 is rectangle marker, is a rectangle marker, oh, it's not, and is a physical entity. It's divided, fuck, it's true. Divided by 4, not by 2. 55 and 53. Oh, is motion trailed. Okay. So first it checks 212. It's 53 is looks a little weird that that one is the one, right? Okay. Um, is motion trail. This looks very weird. I gotta be honest, but exactly, it cannot be. I didn't know that these things will just hurt my brain this much. Okay, let's get the notepad, the legendary notepad. Okay, looks fine. Oh, is motion blurred. Okay, I'm an idiot, basically. What's the other guy? So, is motion blurred and is motion trailed. Okay, okay. Is motion blurred. It looks is motion blurred. Okay. Oh, it makes 10 times more sense. Because that activate was not making any sense. Update, pause, render. Uh, what? No. Is motion blurred is 53? That's kind of not the case, right? So, oh my god. Did I find the problem? Okay, so now I can go to, I need to go, 53 lines down. Okay, is motion blurred? Could they be swapped around? Because it's render is motion. Okay. I guess they could be swapped around. Kind of. Is motion blurred? Yeah. Yeah. Render trail. So render trail. Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. Is motion blurred? Okay. Indeed. Okay, now I understand. So set visible, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 after set visible. So these are swapped around. Okay. Sure. So entity. As this was looking very weird. Okay, that's fine. Git add spidey source entity. They have different offsets, man. Okay, I just committed a bunch of garbage. Okay, that's fine. It's so annoying. Oh my god. So between these two versions, they did touch a thing here and there. Okay, date. Okay. This guy. What? This guy, okay. Oh, much better, okay. It's level 18. Possible render ends. Oh, I did it completely wrong now that I'm seeing this. Mm-hmm. So while begin is different, if it is, then set it as null. Okay. Wow. So this looks like what I have here. Hey yo. Oh. Okay. Okay. Looks like these guys are swapped around. So let's just do it this way. Good. There's the begin, there's the end. Cross render. Ah, okay. Ah, bro, I need to learn how to read. So is V3 used for anything now? Can you just fuck up my cards? I will synchronize with I. This goes. Okay. So if that thing is null, okay. That's 0 and yada yada yada. this guy. So if it gets inside of there, it's done, right? If it gets here, like this. Else it's just like this. This is how it looks like then. Okay. So maybe it's a little more complicated, but this is what it looks like. This is one of the few functions that I actually need to do big difference, big changes. Pause render. Okay. Why is that thing getting in line there? So let me just compare these two fellas, right? Or, holy crap, I cannot read. I cannot read. And this is the proof that I'm tired. T-Reds. Render. Pause render. This looks much better. Yeah. Yeah. Ignore that. Urgh. So insert aux. To oh yeah, okay. Now I understand. Okay, if this, if we reach the end, nothing should happen, right? Yeah, this looks like what's going on here. So if it's visible and it's flagged, maybe I can do this. We can do this. And this guy, Wait a moment. So visible. And now I see. So I get the vision. So you just do this. Bam. This. Bam. So I guess this. If not, look at into this, guys. It's not motion blurred and it's not motion trailed, then do that. Okay. That looks like a good thing to do. But man, this stream started so well with frame info and then it just derailed with this pause render. No, I just... No. So, yeah, okay. This guy, test ECX. That's strange. Let's render. Oh. Okay, maybe that's... So... Or these guys. There are these two clauses here, which is E is motion blurred or E is motion trailed. Okay, looks fine. Now you can do. It's none of that. Just remove the thing. It's on the list. Okay. Now it should work. Please, Lord. Oh my God, it was that. Oh, okay. Oh, hallelujah. Okay. I think I'm done for today. My brain is totally fried. There's different things here. So 102C. Okay. It looks perfect. What's the problem? Now I just need to take a look at this block over here. These guys. Okay, this looks fine, except for these offsets. So this 88 should be 40C. So 88 should be 4C. Yeah, okay. Render ends should be 4C. Render ends. So possible active entities. It exists between these whatever patch. Shift it around. Entity lists. Possible render ends. Yep. And I don't need that anymore. So now let's just do this. Now when I do this, the validation passes, but that's not all. Now if I go here, yeah, this looks exactly like what I expected it to be. The F, yeah, okay. Now I know that it's perfect. Okay. Maron. Okay, matching. Patch it to rewrite most of the logic. Pause. Render. Git diff. Region. Update. Pause. Render. Okay, this is one of the most mind-numbing functions. Possible collide ends. Yeah. So. Oh, I didn't give the name here. Okay, I need to give it the name. So region, here's name. Yeah, now it's good. I'll need to do this later. This level 27 thing kind of worries me. But yeah, not a big deal. Save. Validation is validating. Let's go away. So how many things did I do today? I think I did more than expected, but yeah, I slowed down a little. This took way longer than expected because of this swap thing. But alrighty. What should I do now? I'm thinking git commit, git push. Yeah, before I push, let's just do a copy. Oh yeah, now I skip the intros. Oh, yeah, that's actually something really cool that I don't know. Man, the game loads instantly now. And no, that guy just died in a really embarrassing way. Ooh, okay. Everything looks fine. Okay, git push. This is probably one of the most hard streams for me. It's been IDBs, item backup, nice. So let's close everything that's not needed now. This guy, this guy, this guy. Okay. Everything looks fine here. Is this green? Yeah, this is green. 41 seconds. It got faster out of nowhere. So build is 16 seconds. That's interesting. So the slowest parts are the Visual Studio setup and the build. Well. Oh well. That's it. I'm gonna go on my merry way. That's it. Thanks everyone that came to the stream. This was definitely an interesting one. But yeah, go to my blog to learn more about what I'm doing. And yeah, see ya. Bye.